Making cake batter ice cream using yellow cake mix. Start by heat treating 1 cup yellow cake mix at 350 degrees for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 cup sugar. Mix that up really well. Then add your fully cooled, heat-treated cake mix. And mix that up really, really good. Then add 2 cups heavy cream. And mix that up. One teaspoon vanilla extract. And mix that up. And then stick your mixture in the freezer and take out about every 45 minutes and mix. And do this until your mixture gets thicker. And then transfer to your freezer safe dish. And stick in the freezer for at least 3 to 4 hours. And in this case, I stuck mine in the freezer overnight and enjoyed the next day.